Okay, so here we have another repair that we're going to do that's real quick. We have a Siberian that someone sent in. They're having a little bit of trouble with it. And well, here's what's going on. We got it all wired up. Clean signal's good. Press the stop switch. Nothing. Start playing with the dials. Nothing, nothing, nothing. All the dials are now at max. So, well, what's going on? Let's take a look here. So, taking a look at this, here's what we have. We have this schematic right here, and this basically is a Big Muff pie, as people are pretty familiar with this. But anyways, let's take a look where we're getting signal at. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my way here at input, and then I'm going to work my way over through this first transistor series, and then, well, we'll just keep going over until we get all the way to the end of the circuit. Obviously somewhere in here we're going to get sound, and somewhere in here we're going to get nothing. Let's find out where. Okay, first thing we're going to do is connect up to, well, let's do the old sanity check first and make sure R1's good. Let's flip this around. Okay, so let's see, that's where it comes in at. So let's see if we get any sound. Okay, we're getting it. It's fairly quiet, but that's to be expected on that stage at that far end. Okay, so let's now take a look. Let's see, we know now that we're good up to here. Or actually up to there. So now let's go out to this area right here. So we'll connect up to, yeah, R3. Hard to get that gator clamp to connect. Alright, well, let me just strum something. Okay, we got good signal and some amplification there. So that means on the schematic we made it through here, we're up through here. So let's try the other side of Q3 here, which actually coincidentally comes up to the knob on the, or comes up to the leg on the sustain pot. So let's take a listen to that. See if we get anything. Dead. Well, we just had sound a second ago, a step up from behind there. So where do we have a problem at? Now that's pretty obvious. I think we know what the problem is. So we had signal coming all the way up to here. Up to there it was good. Here it's bad. C3 is the culprit. Alright, I think we have identified the issue. Watch as I press down on C3. There is no solder connecting that joint up. So yeah, in this schematic, the problem we have is basically with C3 disconnected right there, the signal stops here and never makes it to the rest of the Big Muff. So let's fix that soldering up there, and then let's see if we got a functioning pedal. Okay, so we've now soldered that capacitor down. Clean tone sounds good. Let's see if we actually get a distortion or fuzz here. I think we're in business. That sounds more like a proper Big Muff. So I think this Siberian build is fixed. Cheers!